All right, guys, welcome back to Exit 45. So today we're going to start on the Thunderbird again. We're going to jump on those doors. I think I'd like to get the doors set, get them working so they latch and close tight and line up properly and all those things. But before we do, I'm going to show you what I drove almost clear across the country to go get. All right, let me show you. All right, there you go, guys. There it is. 1963 Fairlane 500 Esquire wagon. It's in really good shape. We're just going to do a quick look at it. I'm not going to do anything real in depth, but as you can see, the body's in really good shape. I don't really notice any rust or anything like that. I've looked it over pretty good. Little dingies, nothing major. But yeah, it's in really good shape. The interior is in really good shape, except for the front seat. A little bit of a mess, carpet's worn, things like that. But, you know, the door panels are all there. You can see the seats from there back are in really good shape. All that. So, anyway, just wanted to give you a quick peek at, you know, what I went to go run across the country to get. We'll be doing a Will It Run, and I'm going to put this on the road. We're going to drive it as is sometime this winter, so it'll be sitting until then. All right, let's head over to the shop, see if we can't find our way through the jungle here. Back to the shop and see if we can't go ahead and get those doors set. All right. Keeps wanting to pull it down. You can see the old mark from where it was sitting when I took it off, so I'm trying to line that up and get it close.
Full floor tape. Too far. Hard to tell.
All right, guys, so there should be a metal plate that goes over this. I don't have those, and I'm sure there's probably some sort of a plate that goes over that, so you can screw that down, screw this down, and then this one here, not 100% sure how this goes. Doesn't look like it screws down. It probably ties into the quarter window somewhere, or the vent window. So I'll have to check into that. But either way, we've got it on all the way around, and fits good. Not bad. There we go. Woo, she's under a little more pressure now, but she's right where she should be. Well, guys, looks good. The door's sitting in there pretty good. It's out a little bit down here. I'll have to figure that out. I may have to make me an adjustment here on these, and then pull the bottom of the door in a little bit. Just not much, just a little. But I'll go ahead and finalize those adjustments. Either way, guys, it's been great. We got the doors in, seals in, doors latch, all those good things. So I guess we're gonna wrap this one right here. We'll come back, do another video on the rear quarter windows adjustment, getting the glass in here, and the vent window up front. So that'll be a whole nother video. Those are going to take some time. So we're going to wrap this right here. I appreciate you guys watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.